Cody's like, not going there.
See, again, I'm just jumping. Yeah, I started talking to Tyler.
Comes the snowplow dog. Come here, Cody. Cody, come here. Come here, Cody.
Well, we got it. I'm a stormtrooper. Oh no! Oh no! Run!
No.
Kelly's going the smart way. I can get a running start like I did before.
You did that one pretty good. Oh, here comes Cody. Come on, Cody. Come on, Cody. Come here, Cody. Come on. Come on. Nope.
You should just go along the fence, honey. Do I have to come out and get you?
Like, she's like, no, I can do it. Cody can do it. I can do it. Can't let that youngster show me up. Oh.